नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदी गौरभक्तवृंदा. Enunciating text 30, text 31, text 32 and text 33 of chapter 13, the appearance of Lord Varaha of third canto, the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 30. Khuraiha क्षुर प्रैर दरयम स्तदाप उत पारपारम त्रिपरु रसायाम ददर्श गाम तत्र सुषुप सुरग्रे याम जीवधानिम स्वयंभ्यधत्त. Lord Boar penetrated the water with his hooves, which were like sharp arrows, and found the limits of the ocean, although it was unlimited. He saw the earth, the resting place for all living beings, lying as it was in the beginning of creation, and he personally lifted it. The word Rasayam is sometimes interpreted to mean Rasatala, the lowest planetary system, but it is not applicable in this connection according to Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. The earth is 7 times superior to the other planetary systems, namely Tala, Atala, Talatala, Vitala, Rasatala, Patal, etc. Therefore, the earth cannot be situated in the Rasatala planetary system. It is described in the Vishnu Dharma. Patal Muleshwara Bhoga Samhatau Vinyasya Padau Prithvim Cha Bibhrataha Yasyopamano Na Babhuva So Achyuta Mamastu Mangalya Vibruddhaye Hariha. Therefore, the Lord found the earth on the bottom of the Garbhodak ocean, where the planets rest during the devastation at the end of Brahma's day. Text 31. Swadamastro yodhrutya mahim nimagnam sa utthitah samaruruche rasayam tatrapi daityam gadayapa tantam sunabha sandipita tivra manyuha. Lord Boar very easily took the earth on his tusks and got it out of the water. Thus he appeared very splendid. Then his anger glowing like the Sudarshan wheel, he immediately killed the demon Hiranyaksha, although he tried to fight with the Lord. According to Srila Jiva Goswami, the Vedic literatures describe the incarnation of Lord Varaha Boar in 2 different devastations, namely the Chakshusha devastation and the Swayambhuva devastation. This particular appearance of the boar incarnation actually took place in the Swayambhuva devastation, when all planets other than the higher ones, Jana, Mohar and Satya, merged in the water of devastation. This particular incarnation of the boar was seen by the inhabitants of the planets mentioned here. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti suggests that the sage Maitreya amalgamated both the boar incarnations in different devastations and summarized them in his description to Vidur. Text 32. Jaghana Rundhanama Sayya Vikrama Salilayebham Mrugaradi Vambhasi Tadarakta Pankankita Ganda Tundo Yatha Gajendro Jagatim Vibhindan. Thereupon Lord Boar killed the demon within the water, just as a lion kills an elephant. The cheeks and tongue of the Lord became smeared with the blood of the demon, just as an elephant becomes reddish from digging in the purple earth. Text 33. Tamala Neelam Sita Dantakotya Kshma Muta Kshipantam Gajalilayanga Pradnyaya Badadhan Jalayo Anuvakaira Birinchi Mukhya Upata Sthurisham. Then the Lord, playing like an elephant, suspended the earth on the edge of his curved white tusks. He assumed a bluish complexion like that of a tamala tree, and thus the sages headed by Brahma could understand him to be the Supreme Personality of Godhead and offered respectful obeisances unto the Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.